Hello Virtuous family, welcome to Virtuous Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what we have for you is how to make eggplant ball with tomato sauce. The yummy recipe you are seeing in the pan is the finished result of the eggplant ball with tomato sauce. If you want to know how I came up with the eggplant ball, let's dive right into the video. The recipes we have for the eggplant ball are set on my countertop already. To get the measurement of all the recipes I'm going to mention, please hit the description box. I got eggplant, parsley, onion, tuna fish. You can use any protein of your choice or even make it like that without adding any proteins, okay? I got some eggs, garlic paste, curry powder, dry thyme, dry rosemary, salt to taste, chili pepper, tomato mixture, breadcrumbs. The flour you are seeing is the mixture of corn flour and all-purpose flour. You can use either of them, but to increase the tenderness of the ball, use both of them, okay? Let's start the preparation by peeling the eggplant. You can as well leave the peels for the eggplant balls, okay? But I like peeling off the skin when making my eggplant ball. Let's talk about eggplant. Eggplant reduces the risk of heart disease. It helps control blood sugar level and weight loss. It helps with digestion. It increases brain function. Eggplants are simple and delicious addition to any healthy diet. After peeling it, I will dice it in cube shape. You can dice yours anyhow that suits you, okay? I will dice my onion as well and all the diceable, after which I will set them apart, okay? On a very low heat, I drop my pan. I preheat some vegetable oil. I add some diced onion and I saute for some seconds. After that, I add some tuna fish. I saute for a while. I'm making a base for the eggplant. Now I add my eggplant. I mix very well. After that, I cover the pot and cook the eggplant down until it is soft and nice, okay? After 8 minutes, this is what we got. Please, for the fact that we do not add any water, keep checking it off and on to avoid the story that touches the heart. It has not yet cooked. Let's cover it again till all the excess moisture from the eggplant will evaporate. Before the eggplant dries finally, I want to add part of my spices. My garlic paste, chili pepper, salt to taste, curry powder, dry thyme, after which I will stir completely and then test it. The taste is lovely. I will then cover and allow it to cook until it is very soft and nice. Wow, this is absolutely the best. I'm stirring it around as you can see, after which I will bring it down and set it aside to cool down. The eggplant is cool. I'll transfer it to a bowl. For the fillings, you can use any choice of your filling, but all I'm using is the best for me. Add breadcrumbs, flour, eggs, the remaining garlic paste, chili pepper, salt to taste, and dry rosemary, and then mix. Keep mixing and mixing until it is well combined, just like this, and then add your parsley and mix again until it is well combined. I'm going to cover it with a ceiling fan to rest in the freezer for 10 minutes. That is a kind of help with the texture. This is 10 minutes. The mixture has rested enough. Let's fry it. Reheat some vegetable oil. Form the ball in whichever size that you want. You can make it big or smaller depending on what you want. You can deep fry the balls, pan fry, or even bake. Fry with a medium heat until the both sides are golden brown. Just like this. The eggplant is ready, there is no doubt about it. It is beautiful, inviting, and lovely. We will set it aside and make our sauce. Let's make a quick sauce for the ball. I have a little preheated vegetable oil in the pan already. I will toss in the diced onion and saute for some seconds to make sure that all the juice from the onion is out. And after that, I will add my garlic paste and then saute very well for a better mixture. and then add my tomato mixture and then saute very well. Guys, remember that the tomato mixture is well cooked already, but I'm just frying it again for a better presentation. Then add my mixed spices and then saute very well, and I will add my parsley for a better taste. Okay, I need that flavor. You can add any herb of your choice, and then add the balls. Wow, I love these balls. I love this way of making my eggplant balls, and then stir very well to make sure that the sauce and the balls are well mixed. Wow, Virtuous family, this eggplant ball in tomato sauce is looking so beautiful and inviting. Can you see what I'm telling you? This is lovely. This is good. On this junction, Virtuous family, our eggplant ball with tomato sauce is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Wow, Virtuous family, the eggplant ball is here on the table. Can you see how beautiful and inviting the balls looks in the sauce? This is very beautiful and it tasted so great. It is crispy on the outside and so moist inside. Please try this recipe and confirm it yourself, and then give us your feedback in all our social media handles as usual. Please give this video a thumbs up because I'm sure you really enjoyed the video today. Subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your comment. This is all we have for you for today. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.